Alright folks, welcome to a little two-part series on how to install and manage Google File Stream. As some of you have seen, we've had pop-ups on desktops and on our laptops in the district here that are saying that Google Drive for PC and Mac are going to be going away, and they're requesting that you download and install Google Drive File Stream. It's a legit pop-up that's coming up, and we're going to address that today on how to go ahead and get that installed for you. So if you're on your district-issued laptop or on a desktop, you're going to log into Google, and you're going to go up here to the Google waffle, which is where my cursor is up here in the upper right-hand corner, and we're going to click on that waffle, and we're going to click on Drive. It takes us into our Google Drive, and from there, we will then click on the gear icon, and please feel free to pause the video at any point to complete some of these steps. But you'll click on the settings, the gear icon, and then on download Drive File Stream for Windows. It's going to take you to a support page for Google. We're going to click on the download for Windows button, and the download will begin down here in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Once that is complete, we'll go ahead and click on it, and it will launch that file for you. It's going to ask you, do you want to allow the app to make changes? In this instance, since it is a legitimate app, we're going to go ahead and hit yes. And it'll download that file, and I'm going to pause the recording here while it downloads and installs. Okay, once that installation is complete, you will see that. We can hit close, and it's going to launch a little tutorial that we're going to walk through that's going to show you then how to interact with Google File Stream. If the login box does not pop up, you come down here to your system tray and you click on the sign in button with the Google Drive icon, and you'll see that it's Drive File Stream there, and we'll click on the sign in button. And this is what most of you are going to get when you first start with this, and you'll type in your MEVSD account and hit next. And you type in your school password. And verify the account that you're using, and it's going to ask you to give permissions to certain things. View and manage files with your Google Drive, photos, videos, and albums in your Google Photos, view and manage your documents in Google Drive, and also send messages and managing messaging subscriptions. Those are all okay. We're going to hit allow, and it'll say success. You've signed into Google Drive File Stream. From there, it's going to give you a small little tutorial and show you that streaming Google Drive files right into your computer is what this is going to do. We hit next. Saves disk space. This acts a lot like your M Drive currently, and this will get us all into Google Drive in the cloud at that point. And the cool thing is that Drive File Stream will show up as an actual drive in your File Explorer or your My Computer window. You can close that. You'll notice that also it shows up, as I slide this window into view here, it shows up here. You'll see My Drive. When you double click on that, this is all of your documents that are sitting inside of your Google Drive structure. And we'll get into that in our second video on how to use Google File Stream on a daily basis. Thanks.